wagwan. Hear me I say, become a member of the channel, which is going really fast. The channel is going so quick. Become a member, get some exclusive reactions and just some exclusive chat with your boy. You know, by hitting the join button next to the subscribe button. You understand? Yes, become a member of the channel. You know what I mean? Yes. Binds. I'm not gonna bind later.
Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Vybz Kartel. Yes, the teacher himself with Freestyle. Yes, Freestyle. So that one I jump about 13 years ago. So we're going to jump in that one and see where the teacher office saying, man. Oh, in my backyard. Let me see what I got. Let me check my camera and see what I got here. So, because somebody just pop up on my camera a while ago. Sorry, me have to look at who. Because, you know, oh, it's a bus a pass. All right. So, we're going to jump in that one and see what the G said. Let's go. Imagine. Let me drink off one box of orange drinks. No juice. One box of orange drinks we drink off right a while ago. Anyway, let's jump in the water and hear where the G office said, man. Let's go, man.
Yo, Jeffrey, Daddy. No real response to this. Oh.
Yo, Jeffrey, Daddy. So the man called Jeffrey Hype and answer as Jeffrey Hype. Yo, Jeffrey Hype, Daddy.
We have to dead before some boy get there.
You know how we respond for this. And we have to dead before some boy get pay again. So he might tell us how he might run it. Whilst he's running it, nobody else can make no food from it. That's how he might tell you right so. Let's go.
Them semi sweet, yeah, the sneakers tight. Plus, them semi sharp like scissors fine.
The girl them semi-sweet, yeah, sneakers type. Chocolate bar, you know the chocolate bar, Snickers. Yes, with the peanut tonight. Yes, the girl them semi-sweet, yes, sneakers type.
The girl them semi-sweet, yeah, the sneakers tight. Plus, them semi-sharp like scissors fine.
You know how sharp scissors fine be? Especially a new scissors? Yes. The G I tell you I saw him sharp. The girl them say I saw him sharp. Stepping razor.
Ladies, when we dress, everything is new. But if you want something old, watch Nick at night. Yeah.
Ladies, when we dress, everything is new. But if you want something old, watch Nick at Night. Nick at Night is like so Nick at Night is from Nickelodeon. The kids channel, Nickelodeon. But in a segment in that them have one segment called Nick at Night where them show like stuff throughout the night. So it's called Nick at Night. Basically a black program pan Nick at Night. Be sure to get that one right. So I don't want to bother them to get it wrong. Let's go.
Get me to the music was sweet and nice. It's like Sunday to chicken and peas and rice.
Me to the music was sweet and nice. It's like Sunday to chicken and peas and rice. Rice and peas pan Sunday. He might tell you about that nice. That's our traditional Sunday dinner. I saw meat into the music sweet. That is what you say, not me.
When me hear some punk wanna be DJ, me get cross like the thing we kill Jesus Christ.
When me hear some punk wanna be DJ, me get cross like the thing we kill Jesus Christ. The cross with them hang Jesus pan. Them must say, yo, them boy not fit to be DJ. Them think the DJ thing a joke. Them not ready. When I go with them, that's what the G said.
Them just make up all sort of nice, but the music with me do is authorized.
Them just make up all sort of nice, brother. Them just a chat. Them just a lab of them mouth, brother. Them not say nothing, but the music with me do it authorized. It's legit. You know what? Road.
The girls in a trance, yeah, hypnotize and gyrate them waist, hip surprise. So
put the girls in a trance, yeah. And gyrate them waist, yeah, hypnotize. Blood clot, what I say? Yeah!
You call me name, my dance all. You call me got the thugs, them a party from wall to wall. Me drink street vibes rum, but me sober now, me flow.
Yo, when you call me name a dancer, you can't mention dancehall and don't mention Cartel name in the same sentence, brother. Like, you can't mention, right now, even now, up to now, you can't mention dancehall or Jamaican music and don't mention the G name like that. You would be rude.
Yeah, hear me? Put your one in the air if you like it. Cartel freestyle,
Cartel, yeah, hear me? Put your hand in the ear if you like it. Cartel freestyle, you know, write it. No. Cartel freestyle, me no write it. And if you don't like it, come bite it. I walk blood clot road. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, I tell you say right now that song I freestyle and freestyle the whole light. Him no write it. Enough artists come tell us a Cartel do like even if I'm write him can walk my cigarette box and write on the cigarette box. Cause I'm so talented in me.
I did the teacher, professional words are swing. Stay far when the nouns and the verbs are fling.
I did the teacher, professional words are swing. Stay far from the nouns and the verbs are fling. Stay far, brother. Stay far when them are fling.
Lyrically, this is a murder thing, but have it your way like Burger King.
Lyrically, brother, this is a murder thing. Them boy are not a match for me. Them are not match for me, dog. Them are the on my level. Remember I said, none of them not the on my level. Remember I brought it that long time. But guess what? Since as you want it, have it your way like Burger King.
6 million ways to die, choose one. 6 million tunes a day, new song. The one
6 million ways to die, choose one. 6 million tunes a day. What him say? No, not him say. 6 million ways to die, choose one. 6 million, yeah, 6 million tunes a day, new song. Yeah.
Kill your life on stage with a trap. Or wait till the album drop.
Wait. Rude. You want me kill your life on stage with a track? Or wait till the album drop? Or which one you want? You want it now? Or you want to wait a couple months until the album drop? Yeah.
Them say me stop DJ and I sing so but the gal them love when me sing so all your gal love me to king power.
Them say me stop DJ and I sing. Them say me stop DJ and I sing so but the gal them love when me sing so all your girls love me to king. For what?
But in a love me no fall, me no twin tower.
But in a love me no fall, me no twin tower. Twin tower we drop America in 9/11. Yeah, twin tower we fall. Yeah, him not fall in a love, brother. He stand up in a love. Yes, him not fall for no gal like that. That's what I tell you. Cause them gal just want, let's go.
Me name my dance all you call. Me got the thugs, them a party from wall to wall. Me drink street vibes rum, but me sober now.
So there's so much going on with the rhythm. Like the rhythm a thump, but there's so much effects that go on at the rhythm. See me, make it so nice.
Put the one in the air if you like it. Now tell freestyle, me no write it.
I walk. I walk. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, hear me? Put your one in the air if you like it. Now tell freestyle, me no write it.
And him go on again to repeat the verse again. The chorus again, sorry. Let's go. Let's go.
Teacher, your lyrics contagious, so they must spread.
Teacher, your lyrics contagious, so it must spread. You know, like when you yarn. Yarn beside of somebody, and the next person just start yarn because it's contagious. You must say, your lyrics contagious. Your lyrics contagious. So they must spread. People must take on to it. Yo, rude, Cartel. Rude.
Like virus, that me just said. Me a action, Stallone, Judge Dredd.
Bumbleclad. Same as the lyrics, them I go spread like virus. That me just said. Me a action, Stallone, Judge Dredd. Sylvester Stallone we starting a Rambo and Judge Dredd. You're supposed to know them classic show there and thing. So that's what the G tell. Them action, cause them show their action show. Alright. Oh me going so far, good? Good. Alright. Me not miss nothing. Alright, thank you.
Them a cartoon, Beavers, butthead. Me no family guy, me no American dad. Me
Them a cartoon, brother, Beavers, butthead. Eddie Neddy, Cow and Chicken, Pink Panther, Tom and Jerry. Yeah, American guy. Me no American guy. SpongeBob. Them a cartoon. Them no real. Remember saying don't tell us say him a action, Stallone, Judge Dredd. Well, them a Beavers, butthead, So him a compare like there's no comparison there, so. You see me? Cartoon and action show a different category. You see it? Let's go.
Make the American glad. When you see the Gaza, you see a bag of stars similar to what in the American flag.
Bumbleclad. When you see the Gaza, see your When you see the Gaza, you see a bag of star similar to the American flag. How much star there on the American flag? 53, 53? 52, 53, right? Comment section, get active. Enough flag upon it. And enough star upon the flag. That's what the G tell us right now. You see me? Let's go.
Can't make it out and him pass worse. I know sweetie, but a starburst.
Popcorn make it out and him pass. Big up Papi. Popcorn make it out and him pass worse. I know sweetie, but a starburst. Sweetie, starburst, sweetie. But he might say, yo, I know sweetie, but a star has born. A star boss. Yo, the wordplay. The double meaning, the wordplay, the crazy word boss, crazy with it.
Andrew, Myrie, copy and paste back the last 4 lines from the last verse.
Alright, me not get the line when them say Andrew Myrie. Me know who name Andrew Myrie. Me know who name Andrew Myrie. So if you don't know that, if you don't know who name Andrew Myrie, let me know in the comment section. Then them say copy and paste back the last verse. You see me? So no, copy and paste back the last 4 lines out of the last verse. Yeah.
Me name my dance all you call me got the thugs them a party from wall to wall. Me drink street vibes rum but me sober now.
So him go back into the bad chorus again. And I tell you say yo I am the king in this brother. You hear me? You go down in the ear if you like it.
Yeah, hear me? Put your one in the ear if you like it. Now tell freestyle me no right it.
Yo, that freestyle is tough in a dog. Like that freestyle is still relevant in 2024. That freestyle is still relevant in 2024, bro. Like, no joke.
Oh. Yeah, hear me? Put your one in the ear if you like it. Now tell freestyle me no right it.
Yo, the confidence with it, dog. The man I laugh because he know the freestyle even shot even before it even released, brother. Like it's effortless. Yeah, hear me I say, dog. I just said done. Hear me I say. Let me know what Ono thinks in the comment section about this one, though. Let me know what Ono thinks. If I miss anything, if I get anything wrong, put in the comment section, same way. You see me? And say, yo, dog, you get that one the right, you get that one the right, but you get that one the wrong, same way. But you don't know. Go on do your thing. I like when you do that. You see me? Yeah. But big up on yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Like me say also, I'm going to start putting some of these on the members only tab. Alright? So big up on yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.